All right, let's just talk through this one real fast. I know you guys are in geometry, so let's just talk through it. Tell me some things you could say about that shape.
Parallelogram.
Parallelogram. What else?
I don't know what the word is, dude. I always struggle with this.
Opposite.
Opposites that are the same sided.
Okay, so opposite sides are congruent?
There you go.
Okay.
Google it.
Quadrilateral.
Parallelogram.
Mm-hmm.
What do they have the same angle?
Mm-hmm. Which ones?
The across from each other?
Mm-hmm. So we can say opposite angles are congruent?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What else?
All angles equal 360.
Mm-hmm.
It's yellow.
Turning black.
Right, like, can we say two acute and two obtuse angles?
Ooh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I didn't even come up with that one. Yeah. Okay, great job. You guys see how easy it is to come up with? Your kids could do that, right? What you said, they could come up with all of those features about that shape, right? With just giving them a shape like that. With no A, B, C, like angles, measures, nothing. You see how the variety of different things that you could use. Problem of the day, figure of the day, function of the day. Okay, so different ways to do. We did on our own, we did our little group right here, we did all together as a group. You can always, since I've done it so long, I don't want my kids getting bored, and so I've just tried to create different ways that they could do it. And we have most facts competitions where I say, okay, instead of giving you 3 minutes, I'm going to give you 5 or 6 minutes, and we're going to see which table can get the most facts on this function, or which class period, if you're teaching the same thing all day long, can get the most facts. And then compare and contrast two different numbers, figures, or functions. And then just some other fun things that I've done is, if I can write one, competitions, prizes, quizzes, the posters, and some games. And I'm going to example of all these. So, whoa, that light went really fast. So here's an example of the whole class where I just said, are you student? Let's go. The video is supposed to go now. Let me stand over here. Now. Okay. I guess we'll let me back up one more. Who's on there? Okay.
Are you going to hospital?
Okay. No, it's just, so this is everybody in the class, go get a marker, you gotta write something on the board. As soon as you come in the class, you graphed it, you know something about it, write it down. And most of these videos are seniors and juniors. Here's our most facts where this was an Algebra 2 class. It's the 15th function we've done for the year, so it's barely September. She got 37 facts. So already, just from doing that 14 times, vocabulary and the things that they're able to say from just doing that 14 times. Here's an example of our whole class did the most facts, and these are advanced math students. They're juniors, mostly juniors, handful of seniors, but they got here, they're on this rational function over here, got to 81, ran out things to say, and then said, we just did the inverse function, and we're going to draw the inverse function and start writing the facts about that, and got to 93-ish until the time ran out.